The new Fiat 600e is a spectacular re-entry of Fiat into the B segment, featuring an electric drivetrain. With its 4.17-meter length, front storage compartments, and an impressive electric range of over 400 kilometers in the WLTP combined cycle and over 600 kilometers in the urban cycle, this vehicle is well suited for both city dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts. The exterior design pays homage to the iconic Fiat lineage, while the interior exudes the allure of Italian Dolce Vita. The interiors also include chromotherapy features and massage functions that offer a truly multisensory experience. The 600e is packed with state-of-the-art assistance and safety features, providing the benefits of urban and extra-urban mobility with Level 2 driving assistance. It's often referred to as the big sister of the new 500, embodying the new Fiat BEV icon. There are two versions presented, the high-end Prima and the Fiat 600e Red for those seeking an accessible and sustainable mobility solution. Pricing for the Fiat 600e Red starts at €35,950, which comes down to €29,950 with promotions and government incentives. The high-end Prima version is priced at €40,950. During the launch period up to July 31st, there is an attractive scheme that offers the Fiat 600e Red at €199 per month with the easy wall box included and flexibility to keep or replace the car after 12 months. As the successor to the 1950s Fiat 600, which was also a popular family car, the new 600e positions itself at the heart of the rapidly growing B segment. The 600e is available in two full electric versions, La Prima and 600e Red. These versions make it an ideal choice for families looking to enjoy the Italian Dolce Vita without compromising on environmental sustainability. The vehicle boasts incredible space with 5 seats and 15 liters of internal storage compartments. It has a boot capacity of 360 liters, which is quite generous. The smart central tunnel comes with custom covers and flexible cup holders for comfort. In addition to space versatility, the car also boasts excellent electric performance. The lithium-ion batteries with a 54 kilowatt-hour capacity provide an impressive range. The car features a 100 kilowatt system for quick battery charging, getting up to 80% in less than 30 minutes. The motor outputs 115 kilowatts of power and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 9 seconds. The car comes with 3 selectable driving modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing drivers to customize their driving experience. The interior and exterior design of the 600e epitomize the philosophy and beauty of the Italian Dolce Vita. With sharp lines, new chromed 600 badges, LED headlights, and larger wheels, up to 18, the car's exterior is both refined and dynamic. State-of-the-art connectivity and safety features make the 600e ready for daily use. The car offers Level 2 driving assistance systems for safe journeys, including adaptive cruise control, intelligent speed assist, blind spot detection, and drowsy driver detection, among others. In terms of connectivity, the 600e features a 10.25-inch customizable radio with navigation, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital 7-inch dashboard, and connected services. The Fiat app adds further comfort by offering remote and services such as remote climate control activation, remote car locking and unlocking, and real-time vehicle status monitoring. For an even more luxurious experience, the high-end La Prima version comes with additional features such as a premium sound system, panoramic glass roof, enhanced interior materials, and exclusive color options. Moreover, Fiat has also been conscious about sustainability with the new 600e. The interiors feature eco-friendly materials, including recycled fabrics. This makes it a more environmentally responsible choice for consumers who are conscious about the ecological footprint of their vehicle. The Fiat 600e has been launched to a very competitive electric vehicle market, but with its blend of stylish Italian design, impressive range, performance, and array of features, it's expected to make a significant impact. Its position in the B segment of the market also makes it a more accessible choice for many consumers. The new Fiat 600e brings a fresh and modern take on an iconic classic. With its generous space, striking design elements, impressive electric range, and state-of-the-art features, it appears to be an excellent choice for those seeking a combination of practicality, performance, and style in an electric vehicle. Fiat's focus on sustainability and incorporating recycled materials also means that it is a choice that is as conscious about the environment as it is about providing a delightful driving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.